Hello everyone, welcome back dancers, or welcome if this is your first time. My name is NikkaNadia and today we are going to be doing a floor work class together. As those of you that have been here before know, I've been dealing with an injury for a long time now, about 10 months. So this is really all that feels good in my body today, here and now, is some gentle floor work. And I invite you to take that message and integrate it into your life, always honoring and listening to your inner wisdom of what your body wants to be doing, what feels good, what kind of exercise, what kind of movement, what kind of situations you want to be in. So without further ado, let's begin. All you need is yourself and maybe a yoga mat or a towel, something for some support beneath the knees when we come down there. Let's begin with our feet in a parallel position. Unlock the knees, open the heart, take a big breath in, inhale. Let it go. Exhale, ground yourself into the here and now space. Inhale, rise. Exhale. One more inhale. And exhale. Good. Roll your shoulders back as you take a demi-plie. Knees bend and stretch, warming up the ankles and knees. Look out, long neck, breathing, shoulders other direction. Good. And arms out to the side, push your hips back and forth. Pushing side to side, keep the chest lifted, spine long. Good. Keep your lower back from arching a lot. But I'm finding that my back needs to be arched a little bit because I'm a hypermobile person. We all have different spines, so finding what feels neutral, what feels comfortable in your hips and in your body. We're all unique. Good. Now we're going to take our left ankle, flex the foot, put it on top of the thigh, and then bend the knee and come down to a little figure four. Okay, this way we're opening up through the hip. And switch other side. Making this figure four shape. Breathing. Good. And release. And then taking our snake arms. I'd like you to take one foot slightly in front of the other. Lift the chest. And slowly we're going to go down, 2, 3, 4, going up. 2, 3, 4. Breathe down. Once more on this side. Building strength in your legs and core. Keep your chest upright. Other foot in front. Down. 2, 3, 4. Up. 2, 3, 4. Down. 2, 3, 4. Good job. Easy. Once more. Good. This time let's carefully come all the way down. Release your knees to the ground. Tuck your toes and just have a seat here with your toes tucked and stretching out through the feet. We're going to take some cat and cow with the spine here to warm up more. Inhale, open. Exhale, round. Inhale, open. Exhale, contract. Good. Release the toes and practicing going down and up. Keeping your chest upright. Down and up. Down and up. Good. Now we're going to layer that with an omi, so a hip circle. We're going to circle our hips around. 2, 3, then going up the other direction. 1, 2, 3. Those quads will be burning, yes? 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Once more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. Relax. Sit your hips to the left side. Extend the legs out like mermaid legs. Reach through this arm. Lengthen the spine. And take a little wave of the arm here. Shoulder, elbow, wrist. Good. Hand comes behind the head and chest circles. Reverse other direction. Very good. Rotate your body. Cross your left leg over your right. And from here, practicing camel, chest, stomach, hips. You can have your hands however's comfortable. Breathe. Now let's reverse. Hips, stomach, chest. Hips, stomach, chest. Very nice. Chest circles here. Reverse other direction. Come to face one another again. Mermaid legs. Arm. Pull your knees in slowly. Shift your weight to the middle. And then drop your hips to the other side, keeping the arms lifted, the spine long, and reach. Taking that snake arm. Good, chest circle. Reverse. Good. Rotate your body. And crossing outer leg away from the audience. And chest, stomach, hips. Reverse, hip, stomach, chest. Chest circles, one direction. Should feel really nice and soothing in your spine. Other direction. Keep lifting. Check that your head isn't going around with. Good. Let's face one another again. Come back to that arm. Pull your knees in. Use your core to pull up to center. And hip accents going up. 2, 3, 4. Down. 2, 3, 4. Up. 2, 3, 4. Down. 2, 3, 4. And up, 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 up. Down, 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 down. Relax. Good. Shifting your weight to the side. Extend the legs once again. Here we go. Now we're going to practice. You can have the legs straight for this part, not crossed over one another. We're going to practice pressing up and down. Hands can be however feels comfortable. We're going up and down. Breathe, please. Up. It's a really nice exercise for opening the shoulders, building strength and stabilizing in the core that wraps all the way around us, activating glutes and hamstrings and opening the heart. One more. Good. Now we're going to practice adding a camel to that. All right, wave and undulation down. We're going chest, stomach, hips. Chest, stomach, hips. Chest, stomach, hips. Put it down. Relax. Lift. Give me snake arms. Over your legs. Reach. Good. Hands behind us. Here we go again. Now we're reversing. Hips, stomach, chest. Good. Now give me a shimmy. Push and shake legs. Relax. And release. Facing one another. The legs pull in. Good. And from here, practicing a camel going down and up. So what do I mean? We're going to take our whole body and practice leaning back and up. Lots of quad strengthening today. Back and up. One more. Good. Now use that strength that you found and integrate by going chest, stomach, hips. Chest, stomach, hips. Chest, stomach, hips. Chest, stomach, hips. Going back. 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 So we're going to go 2 down and then just come right up. So 1, 2, come up. 1, 2, 1, 2. Last time. Good. And relax. Come to center. A little bit more here. Then we'll relax and stretch. Arms are out to the sides. Chest is lifted. And practicing Maya, scooping hip. Out, up, in. Out, up, in. Going up and down. Breathe, make it smooth. Feel yourself like a snake. Now let's reverse, hips going over. Harikat infinity. Last one, we're going to take hip circles here. Side, forward, side, down. So as you can feel, we're actually building a lot of strength through our core, our hips, our quads here. Maybe that's why I like it, for healing my back. And when I'm feeling like I don't want to be dancing standing, this is so nourishing and nurturing to our body. A few more. Good, and back to center. Well done. Let's come on down to stretch it out. Swing your legs around. Sit up tall, inhale, and exhale. Be easy and gentle with yourself. Above all things, being patient and kind. And feet together, knees open, sitting up tall. Inhale. And exhale, folding down. Come on up, and coming to center, I'd like you to take your hips and drop them over to one side, taking right hand down, left arm up and over, getting this beautiful big side bend. Enjoy the space. Enjoy this time with yourself. And switch other side, hips up and over, reach. Good, and come back to center. Bring yourself up to standing. Big breath in. Let it go. Once more, inhale. And exhale. Thank you so much for dancing with me today. Be sure to like, subscribe, and drink lots of water.